Welcome back to the channel. Canadian Silver Stacker here. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. It was a variety of different items that I had ordered and it finally came in, so I'm just going to get into it and take you through what I picked up. So have a look at what's being added to this stack. So first thing here, I'm going to pull out, okay. There we go. We've got the 2015 1 ounce silver Kookaburra. Those that have been following me along have probably know that I'm trying to collect this date run, which is a bit challenging. This is going to be a new addition to the stack of my Kookaburras here. So it's like an anniversary one because it's the 2015, which, yeah, 1990 to 2015. So you've got the 25-year anniversary here. So I've been looking for this one for a while, finally got it and picked it up. I'll add that specifically to the stack of Kookaburras that I already have. Put that out the side here. Okay, let's see, what else we got here? Okay, another Kookaburra. This one is the 2024, which I do already have. And funny enough, or interestingly enough, this is for my son. He's started to show an interest in stacking after, experiencing or seeing what my experiences with it. So, he saved up some money and he wanted me to pick up one of these, so I ordered it. So I'm sure he'll be excited when he gets this. So I'm putting that off to the side for him. All right. Okay, this one here, this one I picked up. I really liked the design of the owl here. I think it's the Greek. What do we got here? The St. Helena King Charles III, 2024. And, oh no, it's upside down. 39's fine. It looks like it's a one euro denomination. So this one's just in the plastic bag. I'm not sure the size of it. I'll probably try and get a capsule for it. And adding that to the stack as well. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, of course, I'll use this one here. We got our Canadian Silver Maple, 1 ounce. Pop that open, can't see what year. Try not to handle it too much. I don't like to handle these with my bare hands. And it's okay, 2024. And add that to the tubes that I'm trying to slowly stack. I'm trying to pick up, 1 or 2 of these a month if I can. And just that's the kind of the stacking side of the silver collecting here. This is more of the collecting, and this is more of the stacking. So that'll go into the tube. In the meantime, until I put it in there, pop that back in there. Okay, and what else do we got? Is that it? No. Okay, we got a couple more. All right, we've got the Perth Mint 1 ounce lunar snake coin bar here. I really like the Perth Mint logo here. As you can see, 99.99% pure silver, 1 ounce. And I believe, well, I think I have another one. I got some capsules for these that I'm going to be popping it into. But yeah, I've got these little capsules here, as you can see, and I'll just hopefully quickly pop that in there. And again, I don't normally handle my silver unless I'm very careful with it, just my bare hands, but I'm just gonna pop that in there like that. These bars are some of the different sizes, so it fits well enough. There's a bit of room, wiggle room in there, but it fits nevertheless. So we can add that to the stack. And let's see, what do I got? Last but not least, there's one more. Oh, peanuts flying here. We've got the 1 ounce Lunar Dragon bar. I really like the design of these. This one's, again, you get the same Perth Mint logo as the last one on here. Whoop. Representing the 1 ounce of 4/9 fine silver. And this one, we've got the dragon. I can't remember the years exactly. I don't know. I think one was the current year and one was the previous year. We've got another capsule for this one. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in there as well. Gently touching it. I'm trying to eliminate how much I can touch it. Oops. All right. And there we've got some more Perth Mint silver. Perth Mint, probably one of my favorite. But yeah, okay, so boom, added to the stack. What was that? Another 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4, 5. 5 ounces of silver added to my stack, and 1 ounce added for my son stack as well. So that's it. Just want to do a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I am looking at, I've got some other stuff in the works that I've ordered, saved up for, that I was really interested in. Some highly sought after, popular premium stuff. So I'll showcase that in a video soon, hopefully whenever I get the stuff in. So, all right, as always, like, subscribe, comments. I appreciate any comments or questions. And yeah, until next time, take care.